morning. Good morning, sir. ઉઠી ગયા છો ને? મને અવાજ નથી સંભળાતો. Good morning.
બધા પટો થઈ ગયો.
Okay.
બહુ જલ્દી ગયા.
I don't know how many of you know, but we have among us a living legend of Indian design industry, one of the pioneers of typography in India. I please welcome Kanu sir to present a bouquet and memento to Shri Mahendra Patel.
Oh, thanks.
From what I've learned about Mahendra sir, the introduction can take longer than an hour, but I'll try my best to make it succinct and prompt. He's got 39 years of experience and he's still working at the age of 79, which is absolutely commendable and in other words, a bit of a blessing for students like you and myself. He is a retired faculty from NID and he's worked as an adjunct faculty at Symbiosis Institute and Symbiosis Institute of Design and MIT Institute of Design. He is actually the first ever Indian honored with Gutenberg Award in March 2020. He was awarded for his work on type design development of Indian scripts and map and signage design system for several cities in India. Please put your hands together for Mahendra sir once again. I would now invite sir to take it further.
મારી પાસે લાંબી જર્ની છે, ઘણું કામ છે, આપણી પાસે સમય ઓછો છે અને હું હમણાં જ મેં વાત કરી કે મારા બધું રિટાયર થયા પછી મારા બધી વસ્તુ લર્નર બેઝ છે. જે શીખવા આવતું હોય એને શીખવાનું મળે એવું જ હું કરવા માગું છું. મારું નોલેજ હું વેચવા નથી માગું કારણ કે મારું નોલેજ તો બહુ જૂનું થઈ ગયું. ડુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ? પહેલાં હાથથી કામ કરતા હતા, મશીનથી કામ કર્યું, અલી કમ્પ્યુટરથી કર્યું, એ બધા જમાના ગયા. આજના જમાનામાં કોઈ નથી કરી શકતું. અત્યારે તો બધા વર્ચ્યુઅલ રિયાલિટી એન્ડ આર્ટિફિશિયલ ઇન્ટેલિજન્સની વાત તો માથા ઉપરથી જતું રહેશે અને તમે બધા એના પ્રોડક્ટ છો. તમે તો રોબોટિક્સ ને અત્યારથી જ બધા ટેકનોલોજીમાં તમે મોબાઈલ આમાં વાપરો, હું પરાને વાપરું, એક બગડી જાય એની ચિંતા કર્યા કરું. એટલે મારો પ્રોગ્રામ તો જ્યાં જ્યાં હું જઉં ત્યાં I speak in English, then no Hindi, no Gujarati. My English is Gujarati English, yeah, don't worry. I was in Gujarati medium, yeah. In my time, in 8th class, we started learning I am a boy, yeah. And when I went to college, I can't open my mouth to speak English. Baroda Fine Arts, I studied in Baroda. It took courage to speak in English. But the moment you become a graduate, it is not English is not English. English is communication. If you are clear in your mind, doesn't matter what language comes out. You might have seen your artist doing this, and it becomes clear. So English is not a grammar. English is one of our Indian language. That's why my vocabulary is very limited. But my mind is very clear. I was talking to your faculty on computer. When you use computer, have you used computer by the way?
Yes.
Laptop, even on laptop, if you do something and if you see on the screen, everything looks neat and clean. And if you print it, it looks like a final God's verse. Whether it is appropriate, whether it is clear, whether it is appropriate to need or a technology, nobody knows. It only comes from your choice whether it is right or wrong, which key you want to use, how you use, what you choose. Because menu is ample. If you go to restaurant and buffet, you get lost. Do you understand what to eat? Probably, I'm sure many of you might have gone to a sort of a 3-star, 4-star, 5-star hotels or a restaurant. You see, you get lost. Even if the salad table is more than our dining table. Yeah? And we don't know what to eat. Their choice making is most important. Because whatever you eat after it, you have to digest. You have to get nutrition from it. Are you with me? You have to think of long term. Pleasure is momentary. Pleasure is required. It's emotional requirement. Body requires not pleasure. It requires nourishment. Are you with me? Same thing in design. Same thing in teaching. I can teach. I can show you good thing, get you impressed, go away. You have pleasure, but not real thing. Real learning takes place if you internalize, if you understand, if you explore, if you practice, and it becomes part of it. This is my teaching philosophy. For me, girl or a boy, rural or urban, English speaking or non-English speaking, all are good. Would you be, any of you would be bad, knowingly would do bad work? No. Every day, whatever you do is what you believe in it, and you do it, and you do always good work. Are you with me?
Yes.
Who am I to tell you you are bad? You are good. You are bad according to me, because I compare you with me. I should compare you with you only. I don't know whether you know NID philosophy. I've been brought up by NID philosophy. We don't compare. We facilitate learning. We create learning. We create learning challenges, learning opportunities for you. So my letter design to logotype design is the different type of courses. I love letter form. Like Kanu sir, I was a painter, yeah. I had a long shoes, in those days bottom, what was saskin, broad trouser, long hairs. I've gone through all those things, and for me, things are beautiful, yeah, lovely. But I don't know what is lovely and what is not. Neither the people who appreciate knows what is beautiful in it and what is not. They know me, so the way I dress and the way I show my confidence and my drama to them, I facial drama, they appreciate me. So naam se kaam chal raha tha. Nowadays name is nothing real. There will be several thousands of Mahendra, and there will be few thousand Mahendra Patel. Are you with me? If you go to Mahendra Patel, there are many. Who am I in there? Nothing. We don't remember even Gandhi. What is mark we are going to make? We are going to make difference in people. You just, whatever you do, even they are rural, urban, those, even very few people, if you make difference in that moment, that is what your contribution is. This is my teaching philosophy. Yeah? It comes after वो बोलते हैं 100 चूहे मार के बिल्ली हज को चली है। इतने साल हमने किया। पहले तो मैं बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट था यार, क्लासरूम में मेरे NID स्टूडेंट को आंख में से आंसू आ जाते थे। I was a very taskmaster. They still remember and they still agree with it. After 40 years, they come back and say, Mahendra bhai, वो सिखाया अभी नहीं जाता है दिमाग से यार। 1 week course, student come running to me whenever I go to seminars or that thing and say, oh sir, don't remember, I still have that sort of a thing. That is satisfaction of teaching or creating learning. I use the new term. I have to go with market. Yeah? Everybody is talking about user experience design and user interface design. So if I want to sell my banana, as I told them, I have to use new terms. But using new terms become hollow. You have to believe in it. You have to practice it. So that's what my letter design to logotype design. Another work I have is my own work. From painting, I become graphic designer. From graphic designer, I become a typographer. From typographer, I become a printer. From printer, I become a silent designer. From silent designer, I become a wayfinding system designer. From there, I went, journey went up. Like I create opportunity for you and challenges for you. If I don't create challenges and opportunity for me, who am I to create for you? As simple as that. Teacher comes every day to the class, and if I start teaching same mathematics, same way, students change it, but teacher doesn't change it. He doesn't enjoy his life. It's like bank. Yeah, you go count money, go home, cook, have dinner. I decided that my life should be always fulfilling. So I teach any course for 3 years and change my course. So whatever I teach this year, next year is different, next year is different. After 3 years I start teaching and thinking what I taught 3 years back. I have changed. So the course changes. Other advantage is my students, there's a what you call ragging sort of a thing. आप क्या सीखते हमने लास्ट ईयर हमने आपसे अच्छा सीखा था या स्टूडेंट्स सीनियर एंड जूनियर इन माय क्लास सीनियर कम्स एंड से अरे यार हमने तो नहीं किया था ये आप अच्छा कर रही है सो आई समटाइम इवन आई कॉल प्रॉपर्ली सीनियर टू माय जूनियर क्लास और जूनियर टू सीनियर क्लास एंड क्रिएट लर्निंग डायलॉग्स लर्निंग टेक्स प्लेस इफ यू टॉक one is understand, second thing is practice, and third thing is share what you have in mind. If you don't share, it remains with you. If it remains with you, nothing wrong, but it doesn't change unless somebody gives anti-views and comment on it. अच्छा है, ऐसा किया होता तो अच्छा था, whatever it is. So it makes you more confident. It gives you deeper sense of ownership of your work. Otherwise, you are owner and it's like painter. He paints, he expresses, he sells. He don't worry whether user or technology or a message, whatever is inside is his message, is meaning to it. It is his meaning, nothing wrong about it. Yeah. There is a graphic arts and graphic design and graphic craft. I hope you understand the difference between art, craft and design. And nowadays we talk about technology, it's beyond design. Then we have enough of art, craft, design and technology. So what we talk human being. Have you heard about user experience design? Yes. We talk about experience. After doing all these things, how you are going to use, how you are going to feel, how you are going to receive this, how you are going to react to this. There's a big thing on that. That is not enough because business has to grow. So how? So there's a new science or new thing coming. It's a need design. I don't know if you've heard of it. There are people who master it, sensing the need, future needs, future problem. My vice chancellor is talking about 2035. वो time में क्या होगा? So he perceives and then prepares students to future ready students. I don't know if you heard new term which is coming. We are preparing future ready students because whatever we teach now with my 30 years experience is useless to you. Would you agree with me? Whatever you learn today is useless to you. But what you learn is approach, values, that remains longer than A plus A is 2. No, it is logistic. And you think it is addition, and addition works differently. Are you with me? So this sort of, it is teaching methodology. That my course on surface will look very simple. The way I interacted with you, are you all talking to me in your heart, in your mind? Yes. This silent learning, do you see? Learning doesn't mean only talking and showing off. Learning is making to think, making to sense, sensing, realize, venture into unknown. Your capability to deal with unknown. You can venture in unknown, but can you deal with unknown? It requires courage. What is that courage? taking risk in life. आप उनको क्या लगेगा, मैं टीचर हूँ, ये लोग बोलेंगे यार बुढ़ा आ गया है ये खाली बारी बातें करता है. So, but there's a risk, isn't it? I don't show anything. I'm still talking to you. I have come with prepare. Sir, कब शुरू करेंगे? Yeah. ये बातें से ही बड़े बातों કરીને बड़ा बना करेंगे. So, there's a risk in our society. How दूसरे लोग कैसे सोचेंगे, वो क्या करेंगे, उनसे हमारी आधी लाइफ चली जाती है. You have to have confidence to think of yourself, true to yourself. That's why I started. All of you are good, nobody is bad. Yeah, but do you introspect your good? Do you deal with your bad? How do you go with? Another thing is very important. Your good is going to be bread and butter tomorrow for you. I'm good in painting is not enough. My good in painting, good in drawing, good in anything, dancing, gardening, haircutting, whatever it is. Would it give me lifelong profession and mission? Would it give me bread and butter, at least to me? Forget about my wife, child. I don't know whether you would get married or not. But I'm sure you will have family. Now there's a new trend, no family, yeah? World is my family, Gandhi's principle. Because મોંઘવારી બહુ વધી ગઈ છે. Let me tell you, even my father was talking like this, even I was talking like that. My next generation also complain about it. મોંઘવારી is going to be always there. You have to learn to deal with it. Same thing, learning is going to be there. Enough? Any comment? Laugh at it, doesn't matter. Or tell me anything if you want to. Share anything if you want to. Gujarati, Hindi, English. My Gujarati, unfortunately, I'm out of Gujarat for almost now 15 years. And 39 years of NID, we had a principle not to speak in Gujarati. Because it's international university, English medium, and we don't want to create. So, don't want to give any impression. It is by nature we are neutral. Yeah. So though I love Gujarat, ખાડો ખીચડી બધું મજામાં આવે, but it professionally and even you have to live. Now there is nothing like international. There is a global. Yeah, on Google and everything. Now there's a new program which is coming. I don't know whether you know, multilingual communication. Somebody speaks in Japanese and you understand in Hindi or Malayalam. It is going to come soon. It is already there. Yes. In script, it is going to be in sound. Now my boss, my vice chancellor is talking that it would be, they would create human being. His plan is to create Abdul Kalam. He would be live before you and you can speak in any language, ask any question, he would answer in any language, any question. He would be live, hologram. But he would augmented reality he would create for you. So technology is going beyond my head. We have every twice a month. All PhD people come. University, now everybody has to do PhD, unfortunately. Yeah? I don't have PhD, but probably I have more than PhD. In my time there was no PhD. I felt like doing PhD, by the way. Yeah? Because PhD gives you systematic mind. PhD gives you research mind, curiosity. PhD, you go in deep, and everything has to be authentic and have to be proved. मैं तो लूज बात कर रहा हूँ, जो बात कर रहा हूँ, that is by experience. But if I have to check whether anybody has done, whether it should be unique, whether what is the original contribution, it turns out you. Yeah, that's the experience PhD people go through. I thought 2 years back to go to Reading University, which is the best university in type design or font design in the world. To do it, that Fiona Ross happened to be a younger friend of mine. I met her in 72 and she became a director. And when I went there, she said, give talk to our students. How can you give do PhD where the faculty is also colleague or a younger, forget about younger, even experience under you sort of. He said, Mahendrabhai, you don't require PhD. जो है अच्छा है, you continue it. So I dropped my mind. Why should I compete with you? You don't have to do everything in the world. Can you do? You know whole thing about computer? No. You know only what you require. What application you start. You focus on it. So now the other thing we are talking with teamwork. Respect profession. You are doing graphic design or you are doing applied arts. You work with signage design, you work with retail design, architect, user experience design, technology people, engineer. Understand their vocabulary, respect their profession, work with them and group with them. Be proud of your profession. At least build your profession proficiently. That is more important. What is proficiency? Depth. I talk with this because I have tremendous depth in letter form. I see letter form beyond letter form. Now that is what should happen with all of you because you are in a private university. Luckily you are not paying that much fee what other university is paying. I just gone through your website. I was wondering what type of structure you have. You know, today Googling everything you can know before you come there. We charge around 4 lakhs rupees. That's very modest by the way. DSP charge 8.5 lakh rupees. Do you understand? And their students, they have no choice than be in the class and get as much as possible because they and their parents spend quite a lot. Forget about money. Time is expensive. That time won't come. Today you lose, you would lose. Time never comes back. For you, me and you both. So I have opportunity with you to spend another 1.5 hours. Okay friends, I don't want to bore you. This is my standard thing. Yeah, Karunbhai, thanks to agree with me. I telephoned, I think yesterday morning only. Yeah. Day before yesterday, I Googled, I found, and I went some other place. I don't know whether this place was somewhere else earlier. I searched on Google Map and I can't find it. So yesterday I came with my elder brother and I found this place here and knew that. So thank you, Kanubhai. I learned letter design and typography in School of Design, Bajor as a part of postgraduate program. That is 1-year program doing nothing but letter design. Yeah. I was very good in packaging. I was very good in drawing. I was very good in very big. You know, I told you I was not doing in centimeter square or rectangle. Everything was a golden opportunity for me. So within 1 week at NID, I excelled the 16 students batch. And my boss, which is Armin Hoffman, decided that here is the person whom we should give opportunity. And nobody wanted to do typography. All applied arts people were very heavy with their brain, yeah. They have done Baroda and JJ and all. So they think they are great and I'm a little teeny painter who doesn't know. So I spent all my heart to learn and suddenly I do more than better them and they say, okay, Mr. Patel, you do typography. I don't know what is typography, but they said you should do typography. It's like opportunity I have currently. Yeah, it's a chance I have taken. Do you remember risk I told you? I took a risk to learn new thing, unknown thing. I taught and practiced till 2003. At NID, everybody changes their field, they get tired, they get bored. I stood by same subject, typography, for all 39 years. I did many things, but only my courses I taught, and become a perfect person. Perfect means good person. Yeah. I find that this country, even you do hair cutting or footwear, anything you do, if you do by heart, it sells. There are enough opportunities, there is enough challenges because of diversity in the country. That's why there is always someone who needs me and some place I can go for work opportunity. I should know where to grab the opportunity. Otherwise, opportunity are there. Opportunity has been sensed by me, myself. Okay? Next. This is my philosophy in a very short term. Do I have something or you would change it? Do you mind to come here? You won't see otherwise. Laptop can't come here. Oh, you are more lucky, you have closer view. Good. Okay, friends. So I start with Gujarati. This is for my presentation when I received in 2016, I think, what is the Lifetime Achievement Award? When they got tired of you, they give you an award. You have done enough in life, stop from tomorrow. Yeah. So I wanted to tell them that, see Gujarati, you see in the street, everybody thinks differently, everybody wants to draw differently, everybody thinks they are best. All painters by handcrafts, yeah? G, and there's nothing good, nothing bad, everything is appreciated. But pearl is a pearl. You wear a pearl, perfect. Can you identify a pearl? No, each pearl looks same. That perfection, which for recognition you feel. So you require a letter form for everybody. Everybody should read. They should not notice designer. Best design is where designer is not noticed. Things are seen, things are enjoyed, things are used, designer is not seen. Okay, let's see further. So, I traveled different part of the country. Srishti I went and then I documented the state Kannada. I don't know how many of you been to Bangalore or Karnataka. The letter forms are very heavy at the bottom. Do you see that? They looks like pregnant ladies, yeah? Okay, next. Next, Andhra Pradesh. They have a tick instead of stick on the top. That is the difference between Kannada and... In early time, even we compete with states. So, Karnataka want to be little different than Andhra Pradesh. So then they same stick and change a little bit. Gujarati want to be little bit than Devanagari. So they taken away the Sirorekha and turned the modified the letter. I'm simplifying, by the way, I'm not talking from history point of view. Yeah? And like that, things evolve. Regional interpretation and taken. Now we are going other way around. That regionality is diluting. We have become national, from national international, from international global. This is the period my children and my grandchildren are going through. My grandchildren don't bother about what is Patel, what is Leva Patel, what is Gujarati, nothing. They are computer science people. Are you with me? And their tribe is computer science. My other two children have a robotics, yeah? So they would think of robotics. They are robotic children, yeah? And their mind and everything thinks differently. It's by profession, by talents, not by caste and place. Next, Malayalam. I have worked with all those people, by the way, yeah? I'll show you sometime. In my professional work, if I have a chance to share with you. Tamil. Do you see quite difference between what you see in Devanagari and Gujarati to Tamil? Yeah? Tamil is written differently. They have ka and ya. They don't have ka, ga. And contextually it pronounced. Next, Bengali and Devanagari. In Pune people are very intellectual and Sanskrit based. They have more variety, more posts. The whole calligraphy culture is very strong in Bombay and Pune. Yeah? And I have always fight. They think typography, calligraphy is typography. I say no, calligraphic typography, but calligraphy is not typography. Something to do with text, something to do with reading and legibility is typography. We have difference of opinion. And we have quite a lot. Fight, agree to disagree. I agree with them but disagree sort of a thing. Next. but they have quite a good variety in the streets. Yeah? Now what all JJ is reflected here, yeah, in their streets. Next. Now, I have somebody said me that you say Baroda, yeah. My Baroda college, I'm a fine arts student, painting students, and I went to Baroda twice a year to teach them. Industrial Design Center of the institution, and most of the students typography thing are like untouchable. वो भरवाड़ गामना बाजू में रहे हैं, so it typography में क्या है? Just tattoo come here, yeah. Capital lowercase enough. Serif and sans serif. Some people say Roman and sans serif, yeah. They don't even go deeper into it. So I thought, let me get in them first interest. Deal है तो कहाँ भी हो सकता है. So first I have got to get interest in my students. Now in my colleges, wherever I go, there are all type of students. There are Bengali who doesn't know Bengali. There are Gujarati who got in Calcutta and they speak Gujarati, they not write Gujarati, but their heart in Gujarati. So there are. So I call one course which is called Exploring Vernacularism. Vernacularism is nativeness. Yeah, in you exploring. You know certain thing, you know certain thing you don't know. You want to explore it. Yeah, this is 1 week course. Sometimes 2 weeks, depends on sometimes 2 days, sometimes only 3 hours. Yeah. So this is what I have done with this Q Institute. I told my friends that last 10 years I am not adding anything. There are enough material with me. There is no time to even add into it. Yeah. Unfortunately or fortunately, I am very tight one by one. Yeah. This is my Diwali vacation with my wife, elder brother. I come once a year to eat mathya and ghagri and what is ghagri? No.
Khari.
गरी पूरी ने सुन के सुवारी yeah, next. So friends, here is a student from Srishti. Do you know Srishti? Srishti School of Art, Design and Technology in Bangalore. It's a private college. Yeah, it started the school. Now it has its own, and now it is affiliated with Manipal University. Their first batch was coming in the final year, and they remember me. That director came to NID. We had a cup of coffee together and said, Mahendra bhai, come, help us. So I went there. They had a course called Design Lab. Next, new experiment. What is lab? You go, you experiment. If you are lucky, you find it. If you are not lucky, you won't find it. And you may end up into something. It is experimenting and exploring. So they had a design lab. You spend 4 years with us, whatever you like, and we'll give you a certificate, graduation design lab. So this student was a student of design lab. And she selected my course. It's American system, yeah, credit system. She had a painterly mind, free hand. So I wanted to say, okay, you have free hand, you are Bengali, create Bengali letters, which is system of Bengali letter for decorative purpose. Yeah. So there is a decorative treatment to letter form, but structural letter form. And think of not only one letter form, but series of letter form. Next. I don't want to show everything, it is just a glimpse here to get you interested. Painting student don't want to draw even straight line. I'm free, yeah. I want to take animals. So she structured animal, thought of animal, in the end she came to snake. And she wanted to do freehand lettering, yeah, and Devanagari. So she did with the snake, total alphabet and created text with it. Seemingly it looks very simple. Snake se letter karna hai. Do you understand? Now I challenge them and I create an opportunity and I create a professionalism. So creating one letter is enough, but creating all and having a thematic characteristic is the learning, is capability building. Next. One student was a dancer, contemporary dancer. She loves dancing. And she says, I want to do three-dimensional lecture. She challenged me. I don't know what is three-dimensional, and we don't have time to board. They don't have your workshop to do three-dimensional form. So I say, imagine three-dimensional lecture from existing lecture. She is a Karnataki girl, yeah. So she took existing Karnataki Kannada letter and translated. Imagine what can be three-dimensional object. Do you understand? Letter form are beyond letter form. To get their heart, yeah, and then deal with them. Next. Then I went to from 60 to IDC. All of you know IDC probably, Industry Design Center in IIT Powai, Bombay. I go only for 4.5 days. They are all what you call very brainy students. They feel they are great because they got into IIT Bombay. They are very intellectual and they work very hard. Actually, I have made a mark. They wait for my course to start. So this is a senior student looking to junior students' class over the. They have a low partition. Next day he came with this and said this toe and toe, double toe and bindi, friends club. I said, hey, that's lovely. Two friends going together. Are you with me? Good concept, yeah. Ideation. You understand thinking beyond lecture form. Next. One friend, you remember I said the Kannada lecture looks like pregnant. So he is a Marathi student, knows Devanagari and Hindi, but he says, sir, it can be headache. So sometimes you have headache here, sometimes ache here, sometimes ache here, sometimes ache here. So the weight can translate to other different part of the lecture form. He doesn't know Kannada, but he redesigned Kannada where the weight changes and there is two weight, one heavy and one light. He created a new style, new way of looking at Kannada lecture form. Next, my NID student, one of the students created English letter form, elephant foot. I don't know whether you know there is a disease with your foot become very wide. It is very famous, very popular in South India. Some disease, something happens, the foot become very large. So he created elephant footed letter form in English. I said he is from Punjab, so created Gurumukhi. Punjab is a state. Language is Punjabi, the script is Gurumukhi. So he created a Gurumukhi in there. You see the matching font in Gurumukhi. Now, he was not knowing and now you wear saris and then I say you create a saris which is worn in Spain. Are you with me? Now, Spain dresses are different. Sari and Spain, you understand, and Spanish culture you fuse together. So that is the trick, and it's not only ABCD, it is total letter, construction, vowel, all those things. This is another students who don't know anything, don't know even Urdu, but Urdu for me he want to make a joke and fun out of script. So this looks like arm, this looks like knife. This is different portrait, Indira Gandhi and so on. Yeah, he used the letter form to create different images. Allow. You see, mind. You remember, known to unknown, familiar to unfamiliar. Mind works, mind process. The pleasure and what you get is openness. You can deal. That capability comes into it. Next, one of my students have gone to my course, but still got very much impressed. And she wanted to do 6 weeks project. So she is from Orissa. Thus this looks like Oriya, vernacular exploration. Orient script. She writes in English with an Orient flavor, Orissa flavor into it. And I have my wooden pen or flat nib pen. You might have used something done with flat nib pen. And she writes, it's a concept development. Idea is more important than execution. So I don't know whether you remember, to get an idea is a big thing nowadays. If you don't have ideas, whatever work you do becomes superficial. Your idea is the major thing. Ideation is a big profession. Concept development, content development, concept design, concept evaluation. You might have heard all those words, yeah? It is becoming big professions. And concept for whom? Not for you. For technology, for people, for need. How will you assess it? You feel, મારું છોકરું મને સારું જ લાગે પણ બીજાને પૂછ્યું કે ખબર પડે કે એનામાં કેટલો આમાં દમ છે કેટલો દમ છે મારી ડિઝાઇન કારણ કે મેચ કરી છે એટલે because I have done it, I fall in love with it. I have created it, it is best and I can't do better than that. So it is good, it has to be good. But why other people should see that? So there is something called user feedback, validation. I am not showing you, but I have worked on, do you know Tirupati? Tirupati is a golden temple with a golden theme. I was invited to do wayfinding design. 40,000 people visit that God every hour. If you have half second before God, you are most lucky. There are stadiums for the queue, 3 stadiums to go into the temple. And I was asked to create this. Now, can I say I like it, this is best, and let those 40,000 people read it. I don't care whether they understand or not. So it's a sense of responsibility, sense of accountability. Whatever I create, they would struggle, they would benefit, it should make a usefulness, useful sense to them. So what I don't know Kannada, I don't know Malayalam, I don't know Tamil. They are the Tamilian, all those type of people coming there. I design pictograms, you know pictogram, icons and pictograms, because it goes across languages. There are, I don't remember, 18 or 20 pictograms. I sent 3 people, not me, language based, ask every 28 person passing through, like 200 people has responded. They came back with response, we tabularize it, their major concern, I call another 3 designers, put the summary of the feedback to them, ask those designers to review this and recommend what changes to do. And I did changes. Do you understand the process we go through? It's not, it looks very simple, but then I have a justification. I can charge very easily 16 lakhs rupees for that project to the client. Actually, in Tirupati, everybody puts gold, everybody gives free. It is first time NID charged them to give service. I don't believe in God. एक पैसा नहीं रखता हूँ मैं God में. लेकिन when I went with my solution to there's a chief officer which is like chief minister, yeah. My chief engineer said, Mahendra bhai, you opened our eyes and you have done your best. This is the solution. I said, no sir, this is preliminary presentation. Preliminary presentation. How about this? How about this? This is my idea. And they said, you have solved the problem. I was overwhelmed. Do you understand? And my idea is almost 90% to give a correct idea what would be final. That is proposal from me. This is, and I took Kannada person with me, Telugu person with me who speaks with them. Because they are all tiffin people. Tiffin is breakfast, yeah? And they eat idli and all, and their lungi, and I can't understand what they are talking. But I don't want to stop them talking in their language. So I have a language people with me who interact with them. I interact whatever way I can. In the end, I say, is this bothering you? Is this bothering you? You see, how do you know? I say, it's animal feeling. I read your face, I read your gesture, and realize I talk to my team and decide that these are the 3 things bothering you. So I say, okay, I'll give you solution A and B for this, C and D for this, and I come back and say, this was bothering you, this is the way I can deal it. You say, yes, very good, let's say, go ahead with it. So I was so overwhelmed that my first design, which was just, you know, do mahine kaam kiya, 16 lakhs project, I'm talking about 2000, and good. So I said, thank God. So my chief engineer said, Mahendra bhai, thank God करने से नहीं चलेगा. You have to go to the God and thank Him, not us. I said, I'll thank God. I'll go there. He said, no, ऐसा भी नहीं चलेगा. You have to give your precious thing, your hair. You know, in तिरुपति में जाते तो बाल जो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो कटरिंग कराते हैं ऐसा ऐसा करके पार्लर में जाके. He said, you have to give your precious thing what you like. I was in a mood. I said, yes, I'll do it. You know, to give a hair, you have to stand in a queue. There's a huge hall, and there are 200 people sitting, and person comes and cut your hair. I said, sir, because I did all those research. I don't want to go to this. It doesn't matter. You are my VVIP. He sent me his jeep, 7:30 at night, when everything is over. He gives me by guest house, cottage. They gave my God, they gave puja, took me to temple. There is a last darsana. It means darshan of honor. It means before they close for the public, the main person comes and lastly says, God, thank you. Yeah? And he says, today you will be our honor of guest. You come. I spent around 6 minutes before God. They asked, what is your gotra? I don't know what is gotra. Everything Patel, yeah. They asked all those things. I don't worry about it. They put that topa and all those things. I came out, and next day I said, now I'm look different. I'm sure people would be. So I said, I got what prasad to give. You know, designer want to so many, yeah. He want whole world to know that I've been to Tirupati. My project got over, yeah. So I estimated, and I said, I require about 40 laddus. I don't know whether you've been to Tirupati. Even you pay 500 rupees or 1000, maximum you can get 2 laddus. Yeah? There's a laddu counter, by the way. You don't get it like that. You put your shoes in a counter, everything is in a counter, yeah. That separate baggage also in counter. So I said, 2 laddus, how can I take my family? It won't be enough for my family even. Family, friends and society. So chief engineer said, Patel, don't worry. We are entitled for 4 laddus. Even those officers. So he collected all everybody's that little tag and given me a 40 laddus or a bag, and I took home. So to distribute laddus, I went to a shop and said, I want little pouches. You know, laddu ka bhag karna hai. Gujarati hai, itna to laddu nahi de sakte. My NID had around 200 people to share. You know, everybody, I want to give everybody. So, thoda tukda karke pouch mein rakha. So that plastic pack, you know, zip pack available. So I went to this and said, give me pack of 300, 400 pouches. He said, sir, ये सब क्या करेंगे? I'm a normal, regular customer. Mahendra, શું કરશો આટલા બધા? I said, I have prasad from Tirupati. Oh, take whole bunch, give me prasad. Then I realized that people have such a wish to have a prasad from Tirupati, and I'm taking just like distributing like that. Anyway, I was lucky that way, and it got through. Everything got through, and they said, now execute it. Put it on the stick. You know, design on paper is one thing, putting on the site is another thing. पसीना निकल जाता है, yeah? सब जगह करना. I will tell you story some other time. It's a very exciting story, yeah? First time in the country, they asked me the sinus should not be beautiful at all. Sinus should be, or God should be most beautiful. People should see God, not your sinus. It should not require any maintenance. इतनी कंस्ट्रेंट थी. मैंने ये टाइल्स होती है ना, वो नई टाइल्स आई है, चाइनीज टाइल्स, सिरेमिक टाइल्स, उन पर 3rd फायर स्टिकर चिपकाए, कलर चिपकाए. जब आप कॉफी मग पीते हैं ना, आई लव यू सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, which remains permanent. It doesn't, nothing happens. I created tiles with the signage like that. I created maps like that. Now creating 7 color map is a big task. So we printed on offset printing with ceramic ink and transfer it. You know, please understand the risk I have taken. Offset printer can't print less than 5,000 copies. I record only 60 maps. I printed 5,000 copies, use only 60. And a big project, you don't worry about money, you worry about the quality of the work. And I was so excited about it, yeah. In the end, it went on the street. I wanted to say again, thanks, this time by heart. So I gave again my hand, yeah. And luckily after that, I got a whole sanitary system or wayfinding system for whole Hyderabad city. Imagine, yeah, the door opens and then total Hyderabad city, international city. From Hyderabad, Ujjain, through Kumbh Mela. From Kumbh Mela, Bombay International Airport. Do you understand? I never did wayfinding design. What I know is I stayed in that little hostel in Switzerland and I was using map and traveling around and finding streets. It's like you like Thai food, green curry and red curry, yeah? But then you say, okay, I'll cook Thai curry and rice. Good, you know. But then say, I want to invite people and give them Thai food. Good enough. Then you say, no, I want to start a Thai restaurant. Professionally, yeah? Where people can come. Do you see now the difference?
Yeah.
I venture into that sort of a thing. Yeah? Using is one thing and creating solution and serving people and not only one different type of people. It was a big challenge. That was I was talking to you, open mind to explore, venture into unknown. I'm a good talker by the way. Yeah? Old man, always think of old time, thinking that young mind don't know anything, let's share with it. Stop me if I'm talking too much, yeah. But I realized by experience, this inner story is the story my children are hungry for. Unfortunately, I don't have time to sit with them. But whenever one is in Bombay, one is in now USA and Canada, they are hungry, but we don't have really opportunity of this time. In NID, I used to have this sort of a session once a month with my students, which is called Lose Session, open forum. You might have heard about it. Loosen yourself, yeah? Learn something. Learning is not only holding pencil. What happened? The value which goes through. Please go ahead. Hi. One student, my final year student, want to do degree project 4 months and say, I want to make my entry passport in the industry with under you on type design. She is Punjabi. Her father is in Calcutta. She was born in Calcutta. She had a lovely stationery unique production with her father. And she said there is golden opportunity for me to establish in Calcutta. So she took Bengali. She doesn't know Bengali. But she took Bengali. So she created Roman alphabet, Prakash. Prakash is her brother's name, emotional attachment, yeah. And created English alphabet, uppercase, lowercase text, which you can compose and download. Do you see if I don't tell you, you see everything Bengali. Bengali English. We always do English which Hindi which looks like English. She created English which looks like Bengali but readable and legible. Very challenging. I was very excited. Yeah. Next. Another student. Do you see now slowly I say profession and expertise? Anand Anmal, he was with Infosys. Now he become I think higher level. He was posted to Maldives. Deputed to Maldives. He wanted to do something Indian. And he searched, there is nothing Indian. Either it's Gujarati or Punjabi or Marathi or Malayali. Are you with me? In the end, he came to Tantra. Tantra doesn't have any particular culture or particular state. And he created a letter form which looks tantric. Very interesting. Next. We professors are lucky to get a leave for 1 year every 6 years, which is called sabbatical leave. We have to charge ourselves, yeah. So we teach you and you feel us alert. I'm alert still, yeah. So in one period in life, I took sabbatical leave for 1 year, and I wanted to teach letter design in India, New Zealand, Canada, USA. Are you with me? 4 countries. Say, my interest, I opened my heart and said, do whatever you want. When you go out, you know people challenge you, kahan, apni jagah kahan hai, yeah? So I took that risk and I went around. This is student in New Zealand. Their professor went on a vacation to USA and gave his class. His class for a 2nd year, 3rd year and 4th year. Ajao, I have to pay travel and all. He said, don't worry, I'll get enough economic income for you. You would not regret it. So I went there. This is 4th year student there. I don't know whether you know FontLab. Yeah, there is a photographer software on which he created a real typeface. This student was German, doing his undergraduate at Christchurch University. You know, Germans are very methodical, very precise. And I don't know, any applied art students here? Do you know Optima typeface, designed by Hermann Jauch?
Yeah.
Most beautiful typeface, yeah? Which is not classic, which is not modern, it is called classic modern. It is not sans-serif, neither serif. Yeah? Very elegant. I made Jauch, by the way. So he took Jauch's Optima and created a most ugly typeface. Now the ugliness is so professionally done, it looks structured typeface. You know, reconstruction, revolution, everything break down. Yeah, that was the movement. Yeah. So he created, and I guided him to create the most ugliest typeface from most beautiful typeface. Professionally, do you understand? I say nothing bad and nothing good. You can make everything best. Next. One Chinese student in the same college, his classmate, from Malaysia. I don't know whether you know, Malaysia has quite a lot Muslim population. When he goes back, he wanted to establish himself as a young designer. So he wanted to do Malaysia. Malaysia used Roman letter form, but they have Persian influence, which is writing from right to left. Persian script digitals. So he wrote all this letter from right to left. He researched into it. Urdu or Persian has contextual elongation. Yeah, letter form changes. He created a whole system of writing Malaysian language with Roman script, which looks like Persian. Completely new idea, yeah. And he received Best Young Designers Award from Singapore after this project. Next, back to NIT. This student is from Kerala, Ravi, yeah, Angela. She saw that project when I came back to NIT and says, I want to create Malayalam. Lots of Malayalis in Middle East. They are born in Middle East also. They make money there, yeah. They go as drivers and construction builder and all. So she created Malayalam, which looks like Persian script. She created even vowelization. So you can download and type Malayalam which looks like Persian. Do you see now exploring vernacular become professional solution and something innovative? So something professionalism and something proficiency, if I was telling you, coming up. Next. One of my best students in letter design, you see what I teach in letter design in very near future. She wanted to pick up. She said, I have been of Mahindra Bhai, vertical, horizontal, perfect form, I don't want to do anything, I want to go to street. She went to Bangalore in the street, studied, and she did very casual brush writing, which you can see on the street. But professionally created a typeface which can be downloaded, all vowelized, and 3 ways, and she created a whole system. Street writing created on typographic system. Big challenge. Indian languages, language engineering, Font engineering. It doesn't. You remember I said art, craft, design, and technology, and after that user experience. Very good example of it. I don't know font engineering, but I know how to go about. I encourage them. They become more than me. That is the best thing for a teacher. Your student become more enabled than you. Because you are mono. Teachers have an advantage of multiple experiences and expertise learning from them. Different teachers. Yes. One Sindhi girl wanted to do one stroke Devanagari. You see that is written with one stroke, Ka is written with one stroke, La is written with one stroke. Good idea. But doing work or to and matras and creating 3 ways, so seemingly it looks very simple, I make it complex. When things are complex, you make it simple. When things are simple, you make it complex. Very simple theory. Once you question it, learning start opening, learning start coming in on a surface, experience start coming in. And she executed, and she is also one of the most successful designer nowadays, Misa Gurnani. See, it has left such a good impression on me. It was a pleasure to work with students. My students' work is my work, by the way. Yeah, I feel their passion, ownership, and they are also very happy. Next, one student, Supriya, say, I want to become another Mahendra Patel. I want to be a type designer when I leave this institute. I'm very serious. I don't smile. You understand, very taskmaster. So she says, I would like to learn only the way you do. So I took different tools. You see the angle changes and asked them to write O. Then she created few letters. She created dummy text, blah 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 in Tamil. It looks real Tamil script, but there are only 10 letters and 6 mantras. They are put in pronounceable words. It doesn't mean anything. So when she went in Delhi, she got a job. Do you understand? It gives you completely feel what the final, which is proposition. It gives you, remember I say 80 to 90% what final would be. That's what I did with my project, with the client. She also did this and she got a project. See, the whole thing looks like professional. We put on your laptop and get. In those days there was no 99. You remember, I don't know whether you know 99, only Font Lab was, Fontographer was there, Font Lab was not there. Very preliminary software was there. But they go through. And I'm one of the luckiest person in the country. 84 itself, the Mac people came to me and gifted me a computer. Their first computer in the country came to me. Barter system. I give my consultancy to them and they gave a computer to me. All NIT people were jealous of me. Yeah? In those days, computer means AC room, sound room, big tamasha hota tha. And everybody comes. I work for 4 months and something happened with CPU, everything goes away. So our CPU has to be repaired. That 4 months work I can do in 5 days. Because when you start working, many things has to be clear. When you start again, everything comes fresh to you. Your mind is clear, you can do like that. Yeah? That's what learning is. It is not work. It is what you realize. Next. This is another typical student from Odisha. She wanted to do only one letter. 6 weeks. Please do you understand? 6 weeks. Only one letter, crew. Without using any tool. Only black color and white color. Only brush. See the way whole thing looks completely industrial. Every day, or I don't remember, every 2 days or every day I give her reflection. She writes reflection, go back, correct it, come back, correct it, come back, correct it, come back. This started when I told her that when I was doing post-graduation, I worked for 4 months on A, L and S in Basel, in Switzerland. Only 3 letters. And she says, Mahendra bhai, I would work for 6 weeks, only 1 letter. So she worked and said, she become perfect. She don't require any instrument, nothing. 3 hands she can create this. I can also create 3 hands. In the beginning, you remember French cow and all, you have that plastic thing and you use. Later on, I think by 76, I don't read anything. I require ordinary paper, ordinary pen. I can draw. Anybody, ordinary sketch pen, I fill it and then photograph. It looks final. Your hand and mind and eye coordinates. You might have done in drawing, yeah? I have same capability with letter form. She wanted to achieve that. I'm very open-minded, open-hearted. I share all my work, other things students aspire and they take one or other quality and build upon it. Next. This is IDC Bombay. One student wanted to do fusion between Devanagari and Bengali. You see, green is Bengali and red is Hindi, Devanagari. How non-Bengali people can read Hindi and how Hindi people can read Bengali. A concept. Next. Tamil and Devanagari. I told you Tamil has pa and mo, not pa, bo. They don't have it. Contextually pronounced. So if you see pa, same pa is pronounced as bo, po or bo. So Hindi people and Tamil people will learn to each other. Concept. Next. Baroda, Finance. I took this workshop with them. 3 students together. There's an experiment. You know, students don't talk to each other because they have certain ego and other things. So randomly I say, who knows this? And I create groups. And they have no choice than interacting with each other. And then they create a project. They decide project, they propose project, and I help them to come out with solution. So this is adult education with an English alphabet with Urdu language. Next. Another group, we always do Indian language following English. English, you might have heard about it. Yeah. This is other way around. English can be Devanagari, Bengali, Gujarati. So this is in Devanagari, which is in Devanagari, you write America like this, element like this, aesthetic like that, impossible, a low armlet like this. In Bengali, you would write. Why? We follow Romanization. They should follow phonetic system. What we follow in our language. Our one state is equivalent to one country. One country. So why not? This is a new idea. Next. And this is the way they create a whole system. It is not only idea. It is also creating a system, mobilization system, phonetic system and all. So seemingly simple thing, we create proficiency and professionalism into school. This is the professional mindset. I hope you understand. Doesn't matter they do this or not in future. It creates how to deal with problem, how to venture into it. Seemingly very simple thing like exploring vernacularism. Do you see the way I created a heat in students, hunger for exploring something, doing something with letter form, beyond letter form. Now after doing this, I go to a task. I told you I was a very good taskmaster. Next. So now taskmaster's job. Next. Are you tired? Do you want to have a little breathing? Or should I continue? Okay, don't read it. Go ahead. Okay, training. Have you learned singing? You do alap, yeah? You train your throat, you train your palate. So what is letter form? Letter form used to do text. What is text? Harmonious surface. When you read, you don't see, you read. Comprehension. Why you comprehend? Because there is a harmony on a page. If there is no harmony, readability is low and legibility high. I don't know, I am very expert in legibility and readability. If we have chance sometime, we will explore. Or you explore yourself. I am giving you 2 terms here. Do you see the harmony with vertical and horizontal and diagonal strokes? They understand how to create a harmonious surface. Harmony comes with similarity, same relations. Complicating further with curvilinear strokes. Next. It is like alap, yeah? Vertical stroke with tool which is your flat nib pen. If you use flat nib pen and how you create it. I told you I'm very good taskmaster. To create one is okay, but second, third, fourth, and in the same line, in the same spacing, same height, same shape. You understand? But that's what profession is. Some people call it rigidity. I don't call it rigidity. I call it harmony. If everybody feels comfortable with harmony, they feel pleasure with rhythm. They feel excited with contrast. They feel pause and retire with symmetry. Do you understand? I go beyond that. How you feel, how you perceive. After that, they construct later. Vertical, horizontal. You see, still there is a surface with intricate diagonal and all type. So slowly from every alap, I construct all the letters. I don't know whether you know it. There is a serif. There is a construction of serif, left side, right side, top, bottom, no serif, angle. Where is the twist, where is the thick line and where is the thin line, just telling you. Do you see that vertical is thin and diagonal is thick? Many people don't understand why. I don't want to go into it, but there is a historical tradition which has come. We have inherited that. Are you doing new N? No. N has been done 2020 years back. What you are recreating? What are you recreating? Understanding. And then exploring and going beyond that. Unless you don't understand principles and rules, what are you doing? You can't create a new rule and new things unless you understand the rule. What are you breaking? If you know what you are breaking, then you can break. Are you with me? So this is to understand basic established norms and practice. Next, once you do that, you create a verse, sentence. Once you know the sentence, you create a communication piece. You see the journey from alap, they come to communicate. This is not a communication poster. This is just a letter design course. Now letter design, many people say this is calligraphy. I call it letter design. Understanding, realizing, building capability. Next. Then, that was flat nib pen. You take a brush. Brush behaves differently. Brush also have a tradition. In 8th century or Colosseum, they used to write on a wall. So we get a historical document. They create on a vertical surface with a flat brush, and then they go to and then they communicate it. They understand, create, communicate. Apply. You call it apply. I say communicate. Next. That was English. But what about other scripts? Other script has a different angles, different tools. So they know how to create a reed pen. Reed pen behaves differently. So they understand behavior of reed pen. And then based on the behavior of reed pen, they create a classical letter form. Next. It looks very simple. But when you start doing, you realize what it is. Yeah? And realization is more important than what you can do. Once you realize, you celebrate. You become free because your hand has understood your capability being so you can be free. First you understand structure, free yourself, do whatever you want. So this is enjoying, celebrating your learning. Next. Okay, that's fine. But then what more? So imaginary script. Imagine something what you have never seen, but with one of the tools. So you understand what text looks like, how text looks like, what are the basic strokes. And it looks like one family of letter form, out of don't know where. It doesn't exist, that's why it's imaginary. Recalling, Russian looks like that. None of you or me know Russian, yeah? But we have certain impression, Russian looks like that, Japanese looks like that, yeah? So creating and recalling, that's called recollection. Non-script. So now have you mathya karya, papad karya, you understand atta? We make it very flexible. ऐसे सीधा आटा करने जाओ तो कुछ नहीं होता है. उनको ट्यून करना पड़ता है. So I am tuning my students From simple learning, Allah, I'm telling them the world is beyond what you know, beyond I know even. World is very vast and there is ample amount of opportunity for you. You can simply haircutter and can make you do a good profession. Don't worry about it. Do it by heart, you will learn it. Next. Now, I give them one historical letter form, one from history, yeah? And they have to imagine the rest of the letter form. Imagine, I give one Mohenjo-daro letter form and you have to imagine whole page out of it. So your mind has to, you understand, challenges. You remember I said learning challenges, learning opportunities. It is not solving problem. I'm not solving any problem. I'm creating learning for you. I'm creating new mindset for my students. So this is that experience. And I'm excited as much as students are excited. Even they are not excited, they get excited, yeah? My tone, have you noticed? I push myself. That's why they have no choice than pushing themselves, yeah? We have nice meeting boards, first come first, we critique, we pleasure, we create a pleasure, pain, all things, yeah? Next. Okay, that's all, but that's not life. Would you agree with me? Life is delivering something. So, they draw representative letter on paper. Now, when they draw, it is not for them. You remember, design is for the use. So they think of who would read, best readable letter form. They create that letter form, translate it on computer, edit on computer, download the font, and can write text with it. Professional solution. So from a conceptual to a applied situation, as you call it applied, I can say professional outcome. Not only that, next, matching Hindi, Devanagari. So go back if you don't mind. These students have created paper and the style in English. Then I took away their work, give to the group, I divide class into two parts. Hindi group. Hindi group has to execute their idea on computer. And English students have to execute Devanagari on computer. You know what happens then? Doing yourself is one thing, giving others is another thing, this only. Instruction, are you with me? I have to instruct them and keep quality control. So they learn how to instruct. What is instruction? Clear specifications. So whatever you have in mind, others follow that. So that sort of thing happen. And whole class become, do you understand? Whole studio, everybody is excited. This is a classroom project. This one day, I told you every year I change, next year will be another approach and so on. Next. If you don't mind, my string has come out. Okay. So what? You learn that. You learn to solve problem. Everybody solves problem. Everybody earns money. How to create something new. How to create unique thing. So this is next course, yeah? After that, whatever I showed you. At NID, I have upper hand. Do you understand? Like Kanubai, yeah? So whatever I say is done, and I take it seriously, not just taking. So I had my courses was in the beginning 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, till total learning takes place. And it become a sort of a festival, do you understand? Culminate with big occasion like that. Okay, so create 3 letters which are complex. In those days I used to take SGA, then I went HNG and I keep on changing. Do you see GLA in different styles? Create a styles which doesn't happen in your mind. You have not seen earlier. All this, that particular student, forget about it exists or not. No Googling. In your mind, you feel that you have not seen it, create it. I select one of them. Ask them to do A to Z. Ask them to create 2-word trial. Are you with me till now? Problem is solved. I'm happy, yeah? Good, sir, yeah? Thank you, sir. Next. So what? Now I say, you have done it, you have achieved. Don't sit peacefully. What can you do more than that? Oh, can this counter form be like that? Can be like that? Can be like that? You feel out of 6, come to solution. Then you say, oh my God, world is not there, world is beyond that. We can do many things. So they question further. Do you understand now? One to many, many to one, one to many, it keeps on. So your mind is continuous learning. That mindset is created. Next. Now I'm not showing process, products, yeah, outcome. Next student. And in this presentation, there will be around 16, and believe me, all 16 are different. There is no repetition. They first come first. They have to register on the board. So other person should not have same idea. Yeah? Like patenting. Okay, next students, do you see the saying different? Do you see the test statement differently? Yeah. This is their master and this is the alternative. I don't know whether you know, there is a variation and alternative. Alternatives are different. Variation are variation. Similar thing and so, but alternatives are completely different. It's very difficult to distinguish between variation and alternatives. Next. And then enjoy. Are you with me? Celebrate it. Do something with what you design. Freak out, yeah? So it doesn't become burden. Human mind is work hard and have a nice weekend, yeah? તમારે अच्छी तरह ઉડ્યું ને જલેબી ખાવાની પછી, yeah? Next. Okay. Have you gone through the story of my teaching? Yeah? Now, after learning, you have to practice. You have to do Arindattam. Are you with me? So, one student have taken letter form. Cut till minimum it is legible. You remember readable and legible?
Yeah.
The characters should remain legible. This is they generated their own challenge, problem and solved it. Next. One student understood skeleton and body. I have a haddi, sabki haddi dikha, heart pincher, skeleton is same. But the moment skin is put, their face is different. Are you with me? So he put skeleton and body and created a style out of it. Next. So there are many. I'm giving you list of things that you know, all my teachers also would get excited. You understand? You would get excited, whether you do it or not. That word is beyond that, yeah? Your mind get vibrating. Next. So, that was NID story, yeah? Now, college like yours or SISTI or anything doesn't have any time. Whatever I used to do in 3 modules, they want to have it in 1 week, maximum 2 weeks. So, I am a teacher, whatever situation I told you, from 3 hours, 4.5 days, 1 week to 2 weeks, maximum I think they have given me 3 weeks for this. There is a Jaipur World Institute of Design, they gave me 3 weeks to tackle this. But each institute gives me differently. This is at, I don't remember where it was. Anyway, it would come. MIT. Maya Institute of Design, Pune. Yeah? So I teach them brush lettering on vertical wall. Next. They do different things. Next. 1 day assignment. This is my demonstration with flat nib pen. Next. This is what student does. 1.5 hour demonstration and discussion with a very good articulation and principle. Sharing demo sheet with them, and then 4.5 hour they work and practice it. Next. Linear tool. Today you don't use flat nib pen, you don't use brush, you use ball pen or gel pen. So linear pen, but still they have to be aware of visual center, visual proportion, visual center, all those things. So how editing your eye. Next. Next. And multiple tools. Next. This was 1 week. Basic learning of letter design. Yeah. They don't have time to learn sans serif. So I gave, unless until you understand rules, you remember that? You can't explore. Sans serif is very complex letters. So unless you don't know what is trace, what is visual center, what is proposal, how the structure works, what is the skeleton, it becomes superficial. And what my learning is not skill, insight, yeah, values. Yeah. Next. Baroda doesn't have computer, they have only paper, ink and brush, yeah. So they create homeopathy. The first one is the idea, they take Xeroxes, they take white color, mask white color of paper and they create alternatives based on master design. But do you see, there is completely alternative, this is completely different approach with them, yeah. I told you for them in those days to take a Xerox, they have to go to Fatehganj or something like that, little away from the college. So I did that. Then I say select one, which is very difficult. I select, yeah, think which would give them a challenge. They have to do A to Z and articulate that design. This is molten, legible, flowing, misshapen, hard. They make a poster out of it. But all by hand, freehand. 1 week course with them. Yeah. Next, please. Are you able to enjoy? Yeah. Or that you can give somebody else, yeah, you can sit there, no problem. Can you see my drama? No. Okay. Master, I don't have to explain you. You can take it. Do you understand now? It's very simple to create fungus. But they say, what more? Hey, I can do this, I can. Suddenly, oh, I never thought I can do this. Do you understand? And then say, only 6, are you with me? Screen 6. So then say, sir, why don't you select? I got lost, I have done many. So I helped them. Do you understand? Taking responsibility, taking proud, accountability is also learning. अगर मैंने किया अच्छा किया आप पसंद करो सर का जॉब है आपका जॉब नहीं है ऐसा हो जाता है नेक्स्ट एंड सो नेक्स्ट ओके another class you see I told you 3 different way I teach and every time there's a different type of excitement. Next, this postgraduate students at MIT they are hungry for students, so it doesn't matter what you have done. You have little art aptitude, थोड़ा ड्राइंग वाइंग किया है, कॉमर्स किया है, केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग किया, कुछ भी फी पे कर सकते हो, आ जाओ. This type of students. So I start constructing directly. They have 1 week, very mature students. So I don't do paint anything directly on computer, yeah, and say create basic sans serif later on computer. And then say create alternative on the computer, directly on Illustrator. And I give them a constraint. You see that? You can read the constraint at the bottom. So within the constraint, they create alternative styles with the same word. The word should be nonsense, not necessary meaning, but should be pronunciation. You see, I give value and I keep on changing my mind. So I'm unpredictable teacher. That's why learning become excitement and teaching become excitement for me. Next, another student. Master design and what they can do. Yeah. And they are postgraduate, never done design before, yeah, never done art before. And very first semester they got basic typography. Yeah, next. But if you see, it looks like from computer software. Yeah, the master design has to be perfect in terms of visual center, visual proportion. I talked about what is vertical row, so what is horizontal, what is visual center, what is visual beat. I don't want to bore with you, but that's the basic principle. Like morning exercise, you know, all tuning your body. So they tune their mind and judgment by gaze. Once your basic idea is clear, you can do miracle out of it. Are you with me? Because basic is clear. Next. You remember I said clean and clear? That clarity is very important. Next. Next. Okay, next. These are those IDC students. You remember that pregnant thing which was heading that batch? Yeah. I went there, they were all ready for me, and they were all very highly charged and highly intelligent, and they were swallowed by hate because they got into IDC. And this was supposed to be almost very first semester course with them. They are all excited. It is 2-year course, 6 month foundation, 1 year project, another 1 semester is degree project. So in 1 semester they pack everything. So they gave me 4.5 days. Yeah. So here, think out of hate, first come first, put on the board their initial letter. Are you with me? So show me next. These are their names. They select one of the letter from their name and think out of box. They can use paper, anything, yeah, in the 100 millimeter cap height, and they put it on the board. They register within 1 hour. Next. Then once they do it, I say do HGL. Out of HGL, then say it's HGL, but how does it look? Pronounce it. So it pronounced like Hulk. Yeah? And then translate it in Devanagari. In this case, Devanagari. Next. Cheese. HGL, it looks like cheese. Cheese, chase, cheese, chase. Are you getting me? Next. Punch. And then give a meaning. So punch is advertising agency. Add value to it. It is not only letter design in Hindi and English, and add communication value to it. Next. I don't have to talk about it. Yeah? And each student is different. You might have heard about prototyping, simulating. Yeah? They are very excited. They know all these things. I don't have to tell them. I have to push them and go beyond, open their heart, like heart surgery. Yeah? Yeah. Next. Next. And this become very popular course there. Mr. Sri Kumar, I don't know whether you know him, G.V. Sri Kumar from Baroda, had that master there, and he is Eklavya. I never taught him, but he thinks he is my student. Yeah, Eklavya, like Eklavya learned from Dhruva, and he is very good fan of mine. So he whenever his course comes, he says, "Mahendra, come." He hugs me. Yeah, because IDC has lots of teachers, PhD and doctorate teachers. They don't require outside work. But he said, no, you are the person, you should start with my students. Next. Very but professionally designed. Do you see the way upper cap line goes? Baseline is straight. The heaviness of hippo comes out. Yeah. It looks very simple, but then characteristic is being told. It only for those 5 letters, 6 letters, yeah? Not at the moment A to Z. Next. Have you realized now you are going to your journey from a very alap to communication to somewhat identity, Next. Now let the design to logotype design with system, yeah? So they have one in all. Do you understand? एक जगह जाओ सब दे लो, सब खा लो, या हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. एक पार्टी दो, बर्थडे भी हो गई, मैरिज एनिवर्सरी भी हो गई, जो है एक पार्टी दिया, फिर अब चले जाए, आप चले जाओ. So I start with all my standard Roman script, Rustica script, Devanagari, give the basic understanding, give the style exploration, and then they start on a project. I think it was 3-week course. Yeah. Next. And then their style creates a pronounceable word. Next. With pronounceable word, they create an identity element. An identity element goes beyond that. Otherwise, it doesn't fit to page. Yeah. Next. No, next. वहाँ से next करेंगे, next आएगा. Single page, fit to page. View में होगा single page, fit to page. Yeah. Otherwise you have to scroll all the time. हाँ, correct. Thank you. Pradap, this is not a computer, by the way. This is their own lettering. It looks so finished, perfect, because they have that training. Yeah, they create Prada. Prada can be styled, changed, and tweaks. Now the business is expanding. Yeah. Next, Dragonfly, Air, India, and so on. Next. Some people say, I want to do simple stick letters. Doesn't matter what. You see, good means not more work. Clear mind, clear capability. जितना दूर जाइए इतना अच्छा मिलेगा. Yesterday I had that experience here. I came to Vidyanagar. जैसे खाखरा तो अमदार ना चाहिए. Yeah? My wife, मठिया तो आन ना चाहिए. And my host says, मठिया तो अमदार ना सारा. જેટલા દૂરથી લાવો એટલું સારું. The long distance you go, better you get. More price you get, more better you get. It's a psychological, not necessary. How do you value? What do you do with it? How do you feel about it? How do you pursue and give a consistency? How do you make it integral part of the design? It's a simple thing like straight line can be very drastical, impactful, meaningful, useful design. Next. Do you see that little treatment of joints and other thing? They innovate and they start. It is a logo design. Logo design is not type design, neither font design, neither typography. It is word image. I don't know whether you heard about it. That is step toward logo design. Which business identity. It can be for yoga, water therapy, or nature cure. Next. Next. Do you see the unusual way to find out? Normally, whenever you have logo design, you go to computer, find the font, banana. Now, creating font, or after doing this, they can question font they use also. They can manipulate, they can do appropriate changes to it. Typography is different. This is not typography, this is letter design. I'm an expert typographer, by the way. Yeah? I can go very much in detail with typography. Next. But unless that you don't understand letter form, you can't give justice to typography. I don't know whether you know Paddy. Do you know Paddy Dagar? Yeah? Unless you don't select right paddy, your rice will not be correct. You have a good paddy, good rice, but you don't cook well, it can't become biryani. Are you with me? You can cook biryani, but you don't put good spices and good temperature, it can't be a tasty biryani. Are you with me? You don't put regional flavor to it, it can't become Hyderabad biryani. Are you getting me? That sort of a capability building comes with this practice. Next. I'll go fast, yeah? We have 10 minutes still. This is another batch, Master's Design at MIT. Next. Different languages. You see that? Bengali, Gujarati, Devanagari, English. Remember, all students are good. I don't give any value judgment. For me, their learning is more important. What they learn out of it is more important. And one student came very late. It happens sometimes. And I can't deal with it. I say, take existing HOG. And then interpret it. Do you see now? The way, same HOG, the way get the identity element. Okay, so what? That is Chinese, vegetarian, Italian. Do you understand? Looking to very, I need the solution. No, not enough. How can it be vegetarian, Chinese and Italian? Next. How can it be same thing in Hindi, English and Bengali? Do you remember I said creating learning challenges, expanding horizon, expanding opportunity, expanding business? Next. 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 Different languages. All three scripts are completely different from each other. How to make styles across the scripts. Next. It's easy to find one solution in one script, but then you have to match and create others. You have to, pasina aa jata hai. But the moment you reach solution, you feel so happy, so you are proud of it. Of the solution as well as of yourself that you are able to do it. You have insight and you can do other thing also like that. Yeah, next. Next. Utna आधार वाका. Do you understand? Very twisty, turning letter form. Which looks कुछ काम नहीं करती है, मजाक करती है. लेकिन that also make a challenge. Informal, casual lettering, make it industrial lettering. You remember that German students were ugly letter, become professional letters. He was final year student, so it was called alphabet. The downloadable font. This is just the first course they were going through. So I did them differently. Yeah. 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 All these letters are created by hand by them. It looks like something from computer has taken reference and made it. That's a capability. That's a quality they can bring. And if you go with your portfolio outside, they would realize that. If you talk about it, they would say, ah, to sab log karte hain. Yeah. Next. नहीं चलता है अभी, थक गया, कंप्यूटर थक गया. उर्दू, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, two color. Yeah. Urdu is read from here to here. English and Hindi read from here. Do you understand that? That also is considered. There's called translation and transliteration. And there's a visual language also. Yeah. Distinguish between two words, order of the word we pronounce. Very easy to design good in English. But then you have to bring that goodness in Gujarati and Malayalam. Really scratch. वो तो अगली ऐसे 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 जलेबी जैसे लेटर होते हैं. English is very simple, straightforward, geometric letter. Now I visualize and you have to cook or crook create match for this, like me. I am not married, but me marrying Tamilian girl, yeah, and teaching her to make khichdi and roti at home, yeah. Very difficult task. And speaking in Hindi, Tamilian in Hindi, I don't know. I don't know whether you've been in South. I have real problem to sit on rickshaws, yeah.
Is this against the
Yeah, the buses you Nowadays there's a app, you put it and it translates it you in your own language, yeah. I just heard just few weeks back. But earlier in my time, I did Tamil in 1971, Malayalam 1982. I have worked on all languages, almost all, except Oriya and Urdu. Urdu is very difficult. Oriya, unfortunately, I never had a chance to work on. I have a dream to work. I have a friend who is taking now workshop on wayfinding design at Nirma. but he's very egoistic. Yeah, he doesn't know what he knows everything. I'm very modest person. Yeah, I don't want to go match with unnecessary ego classes. He's a very dear friend of mine, by the way. Take a cup of coffee. We eat what is that dal rice? Dalma rice. That's typical dalma rice together and all. We enjoy life. But professionally, I say agree to disagree. Have you heard about that word? We disagree, but we agree. Okay, next. Okay, now I'm a regular faculty, 2 weeks a month in Symbiosis. Very known teacher, everybody loves me. It's my love. So जैसे महेंद्र भाई स्टूडेंट आपको ही चाहते हैं, आप भी कुछ करो. So एक दफा मैंने आइडेंटिटी डिजाइन भी ले लिया. So now to teach what are different identity? They are marks, characters, signs. Go ahead. Pictogram, icons, brand. This is all student collecting to make their mind clear that identity is not only symbol and logo. Next, logo type, trademarks, logos, symbols, emblems, mnemonics. These are all different students' work. Or a collection. We discuss together. Yeah? Rubber stamp, seals, watermarks, hologram, user ID. Okay, after understanding, bringing insight into it, go further. Next. Okay, I said take a existing identity. Open a newspaper, select one of the brand existing, recreate on computer, redesign it, give association. So Philips is sound, kitchenware, electronics. Do you see that? From original, what value can you add? Redesign, alternative design, expanding design. You can see the story, yeah? BSNL, same story continue. Next, unisex, Western for a housekeeping. It can be Indian, it can be Asian, it can be African. It can be male, it can be female, it can be unique. This can be a symbol for it, this can be logo type. Do you understand? From simple thing like that, you expand your learning. For me, identity element is not only symbol. Next, Canon. Redesign, because when you use the camera, do you understand? You move the film, so movement, camera with diaphragm. You don't have any more diaphragm, you have a little, what you call that, screen. So now you design with screen, and what it can be logo and symbol. Do you see the design also changes or better? Thinking, evaluating, proposing, are you with me? Then mind pose. Next. That is the way each student teaches differently. I have selected only 3-4 students for a. I'm taking this as a dialogue with my students or with different organizations wherever I go. I teach skeleton. Do you understand? Good skeleton. You don't recognize whether it's Mahendra Patel or a Rajendra. Yeah. Give a form, and now you can say it's me. Are you with me? And from there you get identity. Skeleton is same, form is different. From form you get identity. I give them the difference between these three. So this is a different class. I keep on changing my mind, teaching, yeah, every time. Skeleton, form, identity. Next, 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 next. So every student is, remember, every student is good for me. There is nothing good and bad, good learning. Now, these students have already gone to Little Giant, they know me very well. When I go to the class, they make noise, yeah? And say, sir, sir, sir. I say, okay, wait. Let's have a quick refreshing course for 3 hours, what you learn from me. Then I start stationery design and identity design with them. So, Quickly, within 3 hours, they have to do Hunguski. Hunguski is my pet word. It has a vertical, horizontal, curvilinear, diagonal. If you do Hunguski, you can do all the things. It represents whether it is Indian languages or Devanagari. I don't want to go through. Over the years, I realized I coined this word in my teaching. So they do Hunguski differently. They are different students. Pick one day course. Then I make a chart with them. Different type of identity areas: production, professional, communication, consumer, education, NGO, services, entertainment, public information. What are their characteristics in terms of style, text variation, capital lowercase spacing, typographic analysis? What are their graphic, visual order, color, and treatment? Communication, what is meaning and expression? This organization group. We have a group discussion. You might have heard about brainstorming, yeah? We created memorandum of understanding. Whole class has common understanding. So your knowledge is helpful to her. Collective learning. Are you with me?
Yeah.
So I created collective articulation of what is the world of need of the world in these areas. After doing this, first is the structure, then is this, next. Then I said, now start thinking of a project. If you don't come with project in 3 hours, you have no choice than taking Hunguski. So this student, by heart, he took Hunguski. He created his own style, characteristic of typeface, readability element, legibility element, and recall element. And then created a logo, Hunguski. Next, structure of Hunguski. You understand? Baseline, cap line, all those things. Ascender line, descender line. Next, stationary with it. Stationary requires branding element. So the G in a triangle in a right side corner become a branding element. Branding is filling, yeah? Next. But that's not all. Your business expand from international institution to Indian institute, Japanese institute, Russia. Your business is going to grow. So that Hunguski in different languages, in different countries, how would it be? You understand? Seemingly from a simple assignment, they created an identity element and stationery. Next. So I'm going only identity element. The business is watches. Tomorrow it can be footwear, jewelry, and apparel. Today it is there, but your potential is expandability in your business with your logo design or proposal. Stationery with it. Self-explanatory, I have already told you. Is my English fine with you? It's very good to English, yeah? Good. Next. Stationery. No problem. Go ahead. Don't worry. You are enjoying, I hope. Yeah? There are name of the students, by the way, I forgot. I always give. I'm very proud, so all students are proud to submit work, digital or physical, and I document. I always give credit. Yeah. I want to put some publication together. Not only this is Silachan work. I have very unique work on brochure design, you call it. I'm very good in creative folding and creative brochure design. And I have almost 500-600 different folding systems. But never have time. I'm fully busy, and I think sometime I'll relax in an armchair. But by the time world would change, and it won't be. Yeah, next. Since the O different interpretation of O. Very creative interpretation. Very simple. It looks simple because somebody has put complex mind into it. Are you with me? You remember I said best design is where designer is not seen but felt. You look, my lecture form is where you don't see Mahendra Pai. But you read and you are happy with it. Next. Next. And each student is different. I told you, everybody is good. I want to make best out of it. And proud ownership of that. Appropriate solution. Yeah. Devanagari, Bengali, Tamil, English, Jew, local, and stationery. Stationery itself is a very, very interesting thing. Very few people know that letterhead has to be folded, has to be punched, has to be typed, has to be seen from a window, has, there is a functional aspect of it that your design should consider. Please understand, I have Swiss education, yeah, very systematic and very industrial education. I try to make it Indian experience. You understand, with Indian situation. Next. Next. I'll conclude soon, yeah. Next. Next. Words was not very free, but you can see that you can bring structure in freeness also. See, festive. Actually, what you call this? It is not caliber.
Yeah.
So certain things are fading out,
Yeah.
which is very clear. For example, there is outline of each and all is gone away because your projector is not calibered
Yeah.
correctly. Yeah. But it's okay. I hope you have a feel of it. Yeah.
Yes.
I should have brought my laptop. No, I think it's a projector problem, not laptop
No,
problem.
no, laptop.
Now this is last student. He also took Honguski, couldn't find, so he created hair salon. Honguski is a word you can give any business to it. You can pump any business to it. Yeah? It is coin word, pronounceable word, and just listening. Good friends, there are many teachers and many students. This was for an international seminar. I did it. I just changed the name in the beginning for you. Yeah, they are popular 12 assignments. I just mix and match and give a different what you call pumping to it and get excited. But it looks very casual, but it has a very structure. It has a sense of commitment of teaching. Yeah, and these are the type of assignment I give. This is total list of assignment. So far you have seen in this work or its journey. Yeah. Next. And I always thank NID. It is my first place where I learned. My first place where I started learning myself and practicing learn. And I retired from there. Whatever I am, I'm like that elephant. NID, I trained my faculty to take position of it. They don't need me anymore. So I run around and try to enjoy similar excitement of teaching after NID. And I'm still enjoying it. Yeah. Presently, online teaching it is going like a hot cake. Yeah. Many people are complaining of online. I'm very successful online. I have different camera, different system, different way of dealing with students. You might not realize I'm very learner based. Yeah. So all my student is more important than what I know. It is not me what I know, but what my student is. That's why I always tend to give this mindset. Do you remember? I always tell on the way you train insight and your mindset and sensitivity is more important. What you do is secondary. It is excuse to learn certain values in life. So thanks NID for it. And thank you to benefit from it. Yeah. You can go.
Thank you.